Hello everyone, this is Amanda, and these days I have many clients ask me questions about 1688. So today I want to make a video and share some tips about how to identify a good supplier on 1688. So here I will show you a practical guide to define a good supplier on 1688. Whether you are sourcing the products for the first time or you are scaling your business, these steps will help you find a good supplier with high success rate. So when you browse on 1688, when you input a word, you will find there are many different suppliers for one product. And also you will see there is a logo before the factory name. So mainly there are 3 types logo, and I will explain you one by one. So the first one is like this. It's a Chinese character we call Cheng. It means Chengxintong. This is a basic membership on 1688, and the annual fee is about 6,688 RMB. It only requires a business license. So for Chengxintong, the Pro is entry-level verification, but it cannot reliably screen high-quality merchants. So using only this method, the success rate is about 10 to 20%. And the second logo is like this, a bull head with red color. So we call this powerful merchant. For this one, annual fee is about 58,000 RMB for women's clothing and 28,000 RMB for other items. So this one will be more reliable than Chengxintong, but you cannot fully reliable on its own. And the success rate is about 50%. And the third logo is like this, a blue logo. This one we call Super Factory. And when you browse on 1688, you will find some shops, they have 2 logos, Super Factory and Chengxintong. Then the success rate is about 70%. Now let's have a quick ranking. The Super Factory is better than Powerful Merchant, then better than Chengxintong, then New Store. And you also can check if this supplier have in-depth inspection. And usually you can see the whole factory and their workshop, their office in the video. And usually factory inspection are more reliable because they have guaranteed product and better price. And using this method, the success rate is about 80%. Also, when you search the item based on the factory, then you will see there are many different brands for each factory. Maybe they have like OEM or ODM for any brand, and also the certification. So you can choose the supplier with OEM or ODM for any brand like this, or if they have like CE certification or CCC certification, this will be more reliable, and the success rate is about 85%. And the next one is to check company file, the file report. You can check the file report under the supplier company file, and you can see the employee numbers. Ideally, more than 50 people will be better. And if you can find any suppliers more than 100, that will be better. Large company usually maintain consistent quality, and the success rate is about 90%. The next one you can check is the index of the seller. As 1688 is a B2B platform, so the reviews are rare. And you can focus on the negative reviews, and you can see how the suppliers will handle these reviews. In the meantime, you can check supplier rating system, and there are 2 types. And the most important is the purchase rate. Also, we can check the rating system here. And if the rating is not so good, there are 2 types. So the first one is that the factory is really good, but they do not have enough time to handle this. Because you know some factories, they already have their own business, but they want to expand a little more new client, so they open a shop on 1688. But they do not have more professional team to handle this shop. And the second one is that the supplier is not really good. So in this way, you need to test yourself. So maybe you can hire some 1688 agents like us to help you with the test. We can help you to order items from them to check all the process if work well or not. If our small order works well, then the success rate is about 95%. From my own experience, I think the supplier who is more than 3 years will be better and safer for you. So How to buy from 1688 to avoid scams? First, you need good suppliers. Also, you better hire a sourcing agent to help you with all the process. When you hire a sourcing agent, not only for big orders, but also you can test small orders with them. Then you can see if all the process works smoothly for you. So now let's make a final conclusion. How to find a good supplier on 1688. You need a super factory or powerful merchant and more than 3 years and with in-depth inspection and more than 50 employees and well seller index. And here I make a list about supplier verification on 1688. You can check all the details here. Here is another thing I want to share with you is that how to identify if the supplier is a direct factory or trading company. So first we can check the items, the whole items in this shop. When we click the shop name, then we click all items, then we will see all the items in this shop. We can check if all the items are same or similar material and if they are similar designs for one product. If yes, so this shop is more likely a direct factory. Also, we can check how many items in this shop. So we can see like how many pages of the item they have. Usually about 3 to 5 pages is more likely to be a direct factory. But if for trading company, there will be more than 10 or 20 pages of the items. Also, for trading company, almost of the items is not relevant and the different material, different designs, so they will have a big range of different products. We can see clearly that this will be not reproduced in one factory. Also, some clients, they want to know how to see which one is the best seller of this shop. So first, we need to click the shop name, then we go to all items, then we will see there are some different dimensions for the time, for the sales, then we just click the sales, and we will see which one is the best, which one is the second, then maybe better for you to choose which one to order for your market. And if you have any further questions or inquiry, welcome to contact with me.